Hello everyone. Today we bring you PG-085 drum jewelry cleaning machine, which is a professional and efficient jewelry cleaning equipment for all kinds of jewelry deep cleaning. The PG-085 jewelry cleaning machine features energy saving and quiet, low power consumption with minimal noise during operation, intelligent control system, forward and reverse adjustment and customized adjustment are possible. Polishing bucket, large capacity, made of corrosion-resistant material, sealed design to ensure no leakage of water and polishing powder. Material and shape, high-quality durable plastic shell, sturdy and durable, portable and easy to carry. This cleaning machine is widely suitable for jewelry stores, repair shops, jewelry manufacturing factories, and home use. It works effectively on gold, silver, platinum, diamonds, gemstones, and other jewelry materials. Operation steps. 1. Connecting the power supply and speed control switch. 2. Open the lid and add the polishing beads, water, and polishing powder, then place the jewelry to be cleaned into the tumbler. 3. Turn the speed control knob, press the forward/reverse switch, and turn the timer knob to select the desired polishing time. 4. The machine starts to rotate at high speed. The water combines with the polishing powder, effectively removing dirt and oxidized layer and restoring the luster of the jewelry. 5. After completing the cleaning, pour out the jewelry and rinse it with clean water. Thank you for watching our product overview. We look forward to PG-085 bringing a new shine to your jewelry.